So if you want to use Gemini on the lock screen, that means without unlocking your phone, then you have to enable that feature first. So launch Gemini on your phone, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner, and then select Settings. Under Settings, you should see Gemini on lock screen. You can tap on that and make sure this setting is enabled. Use Gemini without unlocking. So if this is enabled, now even with a locked phone, you can use Gemini. So just trigger Gemini. So I'm just gonna long press. Hi Gemini, how are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. It's always good to hear from you. How can I help you today?
And as you can see, all this is being done right on the lock screen. So that is basically how you can use Gemini on your phone's lock screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.